Hey you guys, what is up? The Rock and Roll family here. Welcome back. And today we have this Emerson Raffael ceiling fan. It's 52 inches. I got this off of Facebook Marketplace. Just use the voice crack. And I listed it on eBay. It is for sale, so if anyone wants to buy it, let me know. It's in really great shape. It's got all its things. It's got its remote. The remote's what they call a remote. But it has everything. It's got the mounting and everything. The top mounting bracket, everything. It's in great condition. It's perfect. So we're gonna start with the lights. Here's the down light. Here's the up. Wait, no. There's the down light. Let that off for a minute. Here's the upright. And here's both. And the light's not that bright, so we'll start it on low with the light on. Oh, dang it. It's in reverse. Hold on. I have to fix it. Hold on. Okay. Sorry about that. Here's low. If the remote's a little funky. It's not hitting the Dude, hold on. What is going on? Hold on, this is not working. Hold on, let me fix this. Hey guys, sorry about that, but I could not get this thing to work. So, we're gonna get it going again. I could not get it to go forward, so it's gonna be in reverse. I don't know what's wrong with the reverse function. Something's not right. I might have to change out the receiver, which is okay. I don't mind doing that. It does have a little bit of a warped flywheel. And we'll put the light on. Here's medium. I don't know why the reverse function isn't working. I think the receiver, they must have used the reverse function on the receiver because it's got a reverse switch on the top of the housing, but the reverse function on the remote right here does not work. When you press it, it just goes in the same direction. So I bet you they pressed it a few times and then we're also reverse it on the top and it just messed it up. So that's probably why what happened with it. But I'll just put a new receiver in it. Or actually, I might not have to, because it's got the up light receiver. I'll have to figure it out, but it's okay. But it will be in working function when whoever buys it. It just needs a new receiver. And there's high, I forgot to say that. Well, I'll do the down light. Actually, no. I'll do the up light. No, no, no. There we go. And there's off. Sorry if that the wind in this garage is crazy right now. I'm just gonna stop. It's gonna take forever. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.